All right, time now for the WION Newsroom. Joining me right here are my colleagues Adhya Juneja, who will take us through developments from business, and Athira Shashidharan, who will get us updates from sports. Let's start with the business updates. Adhya, take it away.
Well, thank you, Shivan. From record gold prices to AI spending scrutiny, investor moves are getting selective. First up, gold is firmly in the driver's seat as uncertainty dominates global markets. Prices surged to a fresh record near $5,600 an ounce, extending a blistering rally powered by geopolitical tensions. Investors are no longer treating gold just as a crisis hedge. Now, analysts say it is increasingly seen as a natural store of value, supported by strong central bank buying, inflows from large investors, and even crypto firms allocating to physical gold. While the pace looks parabolic and a pullback is possible, the fundamentals remain supportive, keeping gold the preferred safety trade of 2026. In contrast, the Indian rupee has hit a new all-time low, slipping past 91.98 to the dollar. This comes despite India's economic survey boosting of strong fundamentals, heavy foreign portfolio outflows, higher gold imports and aggressive hedging by corporates have outweighed strong GDP growth. Now, US tariffs on Indian exports have added sustained pressure, pushing the rupee down nearly 5% since August. The RBI is intervening to smooth volatility, but analysts warn the central bank is caught in a policy trilemma, supporting the currency, managing bond yields, and keeping capital flows open. And finally, big tech's AI spending spree is now under investor scrutiny. Meta impressed markets with strong revenue growth and a bullish outlook, convincing investors its massive AI bets that can still pay off. Now, Microsoft, however, faced a sharp sell-off as Azure growth lagged expectations, while heavy dependence on OpenAI raised concerns about concentration risk. From Meta to Microsoft and Tesla, capital expenditure is exploding. But Wall Street is sending a clear message. Growth is allowed, but open-ended spending is not. Well, that's a wrap from the world of business. Now for all the sports updates, it's over to you, Athira.
Thank you so much, Adhya. Here are the top sports stories we're tracking for you at this hour. The final match day of the first phase of the Champions League delivered plenty of drama. None more than in the Benfica's incredible victory over Real Madrid. Ukrainian goalkeeper NEWSROOM stole the show in Lisbon. Jose Mourinho's side were winning 3-2 in the added time, but they needed another goal to claim a spot in the playoff round. And that arrived in the most incredible circumstances. A free kick was awarded to the host in this 90th minute, and goalkeeper Trubin produced a spectacular header. That goal secured a 24th place finish for Benfica, and it thereby ensured that they would compete in the playoffs for the spot in the last 16. The win is also Mourinho's first over former side Real Madrid in the Champions League. Staying with football, Senegal coach Papatio has been handed a 5-match ban by the Confederation of African Football. This after he instructed his players to leave the pitch during the AFCON final against Morocco. He was also handed $101,000 fine. CAF additionally fined the Senegal Football Federation $615,000 due to the team's conduct and the behaviors of their supporters. Players Iliman Ndiaye and Ismail Sarr suspended for 2 matches for unsporting behavior towards the referee. Senegal players walked off the pitch following a controversial penalty awarded to Morocco. The team returned around 14 minutes later and went on to win the match in extra time. Lastly, the ICC has professionally suspended USA batter Aaron Jones for allegedly fixing during the Barbados T10 cricket tournament in 2023-2024. He has been suspended from playing all forms of cricket with immediate effect. Jones has 14 days to respond to the charges. The 31-year-old was part of the group of 18 US players training in Sri Lanka ahead of the T20 World Cup, which will begin on February 7th. USA has not named their squad for the tournament yet, but it is expected that they will pick 15 from those who are training at the camp. However, Jones is now ineligible for the selection. With that, we have come to the end of the sports segment. It's back to you, Shivu.
Adhya and Athira, thanks so much for those updates. And that's a wrap on the WION Newsroom. But there's more in this bulletin. Stay with us.